What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tez. Feel me? Make this intro short, but we about to go ahead and head over to Dyno Day, hosted by Kino. There's gonna be some crazy cars over there. They're actually having like a contest to see who can have the highest horsepower car there. So I'm not gonna put this car on the dyno because I already know what this car make.
What's up, bro?
Oh, what's up? What's up? Yeah. So I already know what it make, but we're gonna go over there. It's gonna be some crazy cars. Last time we went, it was like a 900 wheel horsepower 2J swap S13. So it's gonna be some heavy hitters out there for sure. Got my boy Mari with me. You feel me? Boosted Mari. But yeah, pretty much we about to just head that way and start back recording when we get there. Let's get it. So we like 3 minutes from where they about to be dynoing at. It should be relatively packed. For real, to be honest. Like I said, Kino dyno sessions be lit 100%. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it back on when we get there. Alright, we just got here. Definitely packed out 100,000%. Like no type of space at all. What's good, man? What happened? Yeah, that's Kellen. Bro, you know I know a lot of people, bro. Huh? You know I know a lot of people, bro.
Shot.
Yeah.
He work at the shop.
Yeah.
That Evo gapping your ass.
What's good, my boy?
Goody,
This the man right here. Hey man, this man dyno sessions be lit, bro. Nah. I already dynoed it. That's the only thing.
Shit.
Where you want to park at? Got a Viper out right here.
Oh, I forgot you. I gotta be returning your car now.
Volkswagen.
Hey vlog, it's Lena and Mari.
Oh, they got an RX-7 right here. Fat tire. God. Get. Carbon on that bit. It look good, boy. Got a 440 right here. What's good, gang? Mari about to put his car on the dyno right now. Yeah. He about to put his on the
Camera on too.
Yeah, he put the whistle name on too. Jump hard, bro.
It's like a Rocket League car.
Huh?
You know Rocket League?
Rocket League?
Yeah, the game.
Yeah.
It looked like an RC car.
It do, bro.
Look at it. That shit looks like an RC car.
Yeah. They gonna make some. They gonna make some jam now.
That shit's crazy on.
Keep it like that, bro. Hey, twin. Mari about to put his whip on there. what it made. First revision. Hey, what it say? Hey, what it say?
570 and 560.
Almost 600. Hey, that's first revision. I told you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. When he turn that shit up, bro, it's gonna make solid 600. Hey, that's first revision, bro. He don't got. I can tell, bro. He don't really got timing in the tune, but that's not bad, bro. Yeah, I told you. It probably spun. That's why they doing it. Just say, bro, that shit almost make a 6, bro. To the wheels, bro. Hey, me and you would probably be a great run, bro. You gonna beat me though. I feel like you'll beat me, bro.
Say I beat you?
I feel like you'll beat me, bro.
Don't say that.
Nah, I swear.
Top end you might miss me though.
Top end I probably might come around. Nah, I don't know.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie though. That shit loud.
Nah, yeah, it's OD loud.
I ain't never heard my car out.
I told you. Was it better? Alright, so that's Mari car. You can check the video out on his channel to see how much he made. Oh, my fault, gang. Damn, bro, you should have tapped me like when I'm coming back to let me know, bro. Fuck. Man, it's Jay's. This Evo right here that's about to ride. My boy Kellen. See what this made. I don't know what's done to it. See what it made. Boy Khalil set up E36. Let me see if y'all can see this. Missing a little something right there. I got a drop top Z01 over here. Let's see if I can run on. That'd be drop top Z01. That's lit. Jeez. It's my first time seeing a drop top Z01, bro. Oh, I already know. I already know this. Trust me, I already know these bills, bro. I know these cars out here. I already know what time it is.
Last car, how much it cost?
Honda, look at the dad. I'm gonna race his, he got a Hellcat jailbreak. Red eye, yeah. And, bro, he got a Z01 and a GT500. See, where his Camaro right there, see? I'm supposed to be filming a video today, racing his Hellcat and his Z01.
Hey, what's in the college? Gotta bring it to Performance. Y'all need any work done, hit them up on Instagram, you feel me? Headlight delete. Just that guy though.
Why are you walking over here?
Man, cause I gotta get my
you gotta stay over there. I'm just fucking with you.
Man, I remember Rich, man.
I'm fucking
you feel
with
me?
You,
You gotta put this on a dyno, see what this meant. Hey.
His motor's built. You remember?
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. Trust me, I remember. You know I'm gonna remember. B58, big turbo.
He just put the diesel tranny on it.
Oh, so it's gonna hold now.
No, the diesel tranny.
Oh, yeah.
He ran the G80.
Which one?
G80. Ricky. He ran Ricky, and he was like this next to Ricky.
Oh, okay.
And Ricky
So it made
said-
good power then.
No, that was before he did the diesel tranny.
Oh yeah, it's over with. It probably was losing power because
Now
it
Ricky
wasn't.
said that now you got the diesel tranny that he'll give him a good run.
Yeah, they should do it again. You said it's a 1J? 2J? Alright, you two, so I think we literally about to head out. I know I only had a couple cars. It really wasn't that many cars for real, but I'm not trying to stay out here for when it get dark and whatnot. I don't like driving at night. But we got the 335 here.
Oh, you can see.
Nice seats. But yeah, I might have to get a run.
A filter inside it. Find out a filter that can fit inside it.
That was 1J or 2J. It's 2J, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me pop. Let me see. I want to compare mine to his. His look bigger though. What size? Hey y'all, you got this last one. Right. You got the last one. Big turbo E36. I think it's E46. I don't really know anything like that. Stopping by the channel and clicking on this video, but I'm headed to the crib, bro. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that and enjoyed the runs with that 335. 335 is upgraded turbo and on full E85. So I think